Hi guys, I'm wondering whether I can get this workbench to lift this up into a cradle that's high up and out of the way. Some of you may have seen, I know you guys watch a lot more woodworking YouTube than I do, and thankfully, thank you. I saw Matt's at Badger Workshop's video the other day where he made like a little wheeled bogey for this, and somebody said in the comments that maybe should make it so I could wheel it on a shelf, and I thought that's not too bad an idea. I could do similar here, and with this bench lift it up and deposit it high up. I'm just thinking where. I mean, I can reconfigure this wall. I've also got the wall here, the masonry wall behind the camera, which I've not finished yet. Like I've not finished a lot of things. And then that would mean I can use all this void under this bench for tool storage. Now at the moment I've got the Triton is still there. The other option of course is just to keep that planer in there and actually do exactly what I'm doing now. Lift it up and use it in that position, which I could do. It's never quite worked properly. That the mechanism works, and I was going to embellish it a lot. I end up putting a lot of stuff on top of the workbench, and then I have to clear everything off to get that out. Let me know what you think. Should I keep it under the bench, raise the bench, use the planer, drop it back down again? Or should I try and deposit it somewhere around the workshop? So that's a dilemma for another day.